So good morning everybody, my name is Ritesh and today I will be clearing your doubts regarding speed, velocity, acceleration and displacement and distance. So these are the 5 topics which we will be covering today. So first of all we will be writing the names of the topic. First of all I will be writing displacement, okay, distance, okay. So the third one is velocity, fourth one is speed, fifth one is acceleration, okay. So going to the first thing I will be explaining you is the major thing that you will be having complicators. I'll be not telling you what is displacement. First of all I'll be telling you what is scalar and vector. Most of the people present here know about scalar and vector, but I'll be telling you again because these quantities are based on these things, scalar and vector. Okay, so I'll be giving you a simple example. I was making video regarding scalar and vector, but I'll be giving you some example regarding it. Magnitude, numerical. So what does magnitude means? Magnitude means a value. I'll be giving you example 50 kilometers per hour. So 50 kilometers per hour, that's just a value. I'm not telling you a direction, okay. So I'll be clearing it out. Now you'll be thinking that what is direction. So I'll be telling you the things from the major, that in vector, magnitude plus direction. Magnitude, when it is giving, the question is giving you the value 50 kilometers, I give you the example 50 kilometers per hour. Okay. So here I'll be giving the example in vector 50 kilometer per hour in north. Okay, north. Okay, so these are the examples. I hope that you all are understanding. Magnitude, a single value is having is known as the value that is not having the direction, there is pleasant, distance, speed are both things which don't tell us the direction. But in vector, displacement, velocity, acceleration tell us the direction. Okay, it both have magnitude, but this tells us the direction, and these are the more informative, these are the less informative. Okay, this is the one of the major difference between them both. Okay, so going with the first thing I'll be telling you is distance. So distance, I'll be not telling you the whole the definition of distance, just a definition. I'll be giving you simple and easy. Point to point, a point to a point, to a point, a point, or to another point, or another to an point. Okay, to an point. Okay, so this distance is basically a point to another point. I'll be giving you example simply for understanding this. You are traveling from one line to another line. I'll be giving you example here. Okay, example this is traveling here. This is the major point. Okay, this is the point, and this travel here. Okay, and this travel like this. I'll be telling you north, south, east, west. These are the directions. Okay, north, south, east, west, as many of the people know here. So west, okay, it's going in the like the point to another point. So it is basically going now. I think it is going in like it is the point. Okay, I'll be telling you first of all one point to another point distance. Okay, like you are traveling from here, like from east you are traveling to west. Okay, so it will be count in like point to another point you are traveling. Okay, so displacement. Okay, I'll be telling you displacement. Okay. Distance definition is short, but you can also, like I have made it by myself, like to one point to another point, to one point another point, you can also say it. But displacement, okay, its definition can be a point to another point. I am writing to another point because it is suitable to me. To another point with a short path. Okay, like I'll be giving you example of these both. Okay, first of all I'll be giving you a distance example. Okay, like we are going to school, so there are like the streets, like what we say in Urdu, gully. I'll be giving an example in Urdu so you can understand it more carefully. Distance, आप गलियों से स्कूल जाते हो, ये देखें ये गली है, मतलब I will just giving you telling or telling. Okay, like here are too much like odd roads, like man too much like the system is not good in the your like the street, and like you can't reach like on the like you are reaching here in 6 kilometer, like on no 6 kilometer not in like 6 kilometer, like you are taking time like 60 minutes. No, okay, I will add 16 minutes. Okay, 16 minutes for traveling just in your street. Okay, so as comparing here, if you took a shortcut, like shortcut to your school, and you are getting your and you are going to your school in like the in short path. Okay, and you are just taking that 10 meters. So this will come in displacement, because you are taking a short path, and here you are taking like a good like a long path. And I'll be also teaching you an example. Distance means one place to one point to another point, while in displacement you cover the distance, the like how much distance you are having to the point which you have started, where like you have started from the north. Okay, and you have gone to west. No, you have gone you have started from south and you are going west. Okay, so while coming we have taking here 5 and here 10. Okay, so while coming here back, so you have been returned here back, but here is some distance. So how much distance is this? This can be 2.5, I guess 2.5 almost. Okay, so so there is a distance. Okay, so if you like if you are taking 15 kilometers. Okay, I will be giving you an example here. Okay, there is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I will drawing here a line of 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so if this is distance example. Okay, this line are like 15, this is one is 5, this one is 10, and if I take a like a short path, so it will be of 11, as you can see 11. So this is known as displacement, this is known as distance. So basic examples I gave you, and I hope that you understand regarding these both. What is the difference between them both? Okay, so coming to up to the next thing is that I'll be telling you regarding speed and velocity, and acceleration I will be telling you in last. because that is one of the major topics. Okay, so first of all I'll be writing here speed, okay, and I didn't send you the symbol of these. So distance is represented by S, as displacement is represented by displacement is represented by D, I guess. Okay, D. For speed, for finding the speed, as you all know, speed is equals speed represented by V, distance upon time. Meter per second square represented by SI unit meter per second square. Okay, so it's SI unit meter per second square. Okay, so so I'll be telling you through a question. I'll be telling you basic examples. Okay, of giving its example, like example here. Example, I'll be telling you through a question. If a person had covered a distance of 5,000 kilometers, okay, in the time of 50 meter per 50 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. So what will become in the data first of all, because we are writing the data regarding distance. What is distance? D is represented by speed. Speed is equal to distance. Distance represented by S. Okay, right. S is equals. Okay, no, sorry. No. First of all, we are writing distance. Okay, 5,000 kilometers. Time taken. I am writing just time taken. Its full form is time taken. I am just writing TT because the video will go too much like big. 50 seconds. First of all, we have the basic need to write the formula. Speed is equal speed represented by V. Speed is equals distance represented by S. Time. What is the distance given below? 5,000. And time in which 50 seconds. Okay. So first of all we will be like clear. First of all we will be solving them. So 5 divided by 500, 100. So 100 will be coming here. So 100. What is the the unit of distance? Meter. Okay. And time, meter and second square. Meter per second. So now we'll be talking regarding velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is also the same, but it has some changes in it. Okay, so it is like displacement. Displacement represented by D. Velocity represents V. Represented by V. Stand upon time. Okay, displacement. What is the displacement that has been covered in the given time below. Okay, I'll be telling you, I'll be giving an example of displacement is given below. Okay, in this these is type of scalar, and in northwest 5,000 kilometer in northwest. Here you are getting the the directions northwest. I'll be changing some question. 40 seconds. Okay, so we have got the displacement here and the seconds here. Okay, formula will be same, almost the things will be same, but these are getting the directions in like these questions you will get the directions, okay, like the velocity is also the type of the like scalar and vector quantities. So in vector quantities you got the direction exactly. So as we are going through with the vector quantities, so what we have learned, we have gotten the question, okay. First of all, I'll be talking about the data 5000, displacement represented by d 5000, and time taken t 40 seconds, meter per second square. Yeah, meter per second square you can see also it. Like we'll be doing the like the formula first for like displacement, no sorry, velocity. No, velocity what we are discussing, we are discussing now what we are discussing velocity. Yeah, velocity. So talking about the velocity, the formula was displacement upon time. What's a displacement? Displacement is 5000 kilometer covered in 40 velocity. So we have to just do the thing is that we have to divide 4 divided by 500. So I will take the help of my calculator here first of all. So we'll be doing the science here. 500 divide 4. So I get the answer is 125. Okay, 125. What will be 125? Meter per second square, as we have done the same in that one. Okay. So going through the last, acceleration. What is acceleration? Change of velocity. So the formula of acceleration will be change of velocity. Velocity upon time. Sorry, my line won't finish. Change of velocity upon time. Okay, change of velocity. Acceleration. Basically, the word like you have the acceleration is mostly like in bikes. We use acceleration to. Sometimes we use the acceleration to increase the speed or decrease the speed. Okay. So while in velocity, change of it is known as, the definition is known as change of velocity upon time. So the definition is clearly mentioned here. And as talking regarding acceleration basically means accelerate something, like increase something or decrease, like the increase the speed or decrease the speed. Acceleration like this, the thing can be like this. Okay. So, as talking the further things regarding acceleration is like you are traveling a car. Okay, so like you are 5 meter per second square, 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so if a person buys a new bike, so he mostly drives his bike at 20. So it will come in acceleration because it will not come in 5 km per second square, but its speed if a person is going through, okay, is going through 500. Okay, the second person has more faster car and he can accelerate his car, so he have reached in 5 hours. Okay, meanwhile 5 hours. Meanwhile, in 1 hour, he has completed his 100 kilometers. Okay, 5 kilometers, 1000 meters in 1 hour. Okay, so second person has done 1500 kilometers, 1000 kilometers, 1000 meter. Okay, and 1000 more meter. We can say 1500, like that, 1000. Okay. So he has completed his he has completed 1000 meter per there, and he has completed 5000 meter in 5 hours. He has completed 3 hours. So he was having his faster car from him, so he can accelerate his car. It was just like simple example, but in acceleration, like the speed is not, you're driving a car and its speed is 20 km per hour. 20, like its speed is you're driving it on 80, but it is not a fixed speed because you have started driving it since zero. So this will come in acceleration. I hope that you understand every simple thing that I told you regarding this, and these are the simple definitions that I told you for learning. So I hope that you understand, and make sure to like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you more videos relating this, so kindly contact me in my comment section, and I'll be bringing more video for you all. Till then, bye. See you in the video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.